Hello guys, today in this video we are going to make a program in Python to calculate addition and subtraction. So for it we have to give it a heading. So we have to type print. To type any sentence or a word in Python we have to give the command print and then this and then bracket open and apostrophe comma and the word addition addition and then we have to give it the first command on a. There are two values in addition, so the first value we will give the name as a equals to int bracket open, and if in your program if this yellow box comes, then click it, it's very necessary. And then we have to type input bracket open, and then we have to type enter the first value then we have to type this two two dots and comma and this. Now our first command is completed. Then we have to follow the same in the second command. B equals to int input and then we have to type enter the first value. You can take the screenshot of this, okay? If you don't remember this, you can take the screenshot. Then our both command are completed. Then we have to type a very important command, sum. The result which comes out of addition is called sum, that we all know. Sum equals to a plus b. From this the computer or Python will know that we are doing addition. Then we have to type print and we have to click this yellow box, print, then enter the sum is equals to equals to. Then we have to type the apostrophe comma and then comma, and then we have to type sum. It's related with this sum. We will type the, for example, if we type a and in a we type 45 and in b we type 5, then the sum will process it and it will a plus b. So 45 plus 50 equals to 45 plus 5 equals to 50. Then this command will print it here. The sum is, and it will process it here and copy it here. And then we have to give this, okay. If this black box come here like this, it means that the program is correct, and after that we have to run it. if you want to calculate subtraction, then you can just do like this. Give the subtraction sign. Okay. Now we have to run it. Run and done. Now our program is ready and we can run it. So for example, we have to type the first value, then 33 and 62. The sum is 95. So thank you guys for watching our video. Um, Hit that like button and subscribe button and also the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you. Now our program is ready. Now we can run it. 65 4, then enter, then 20 23, then the sum gains 87. There, so thank you guys for watching our video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.